just want to say that this poem is inspired by a painting that was full of cherry blossoms, and when I looked at this poem, I imagined she was in a dream of somewhere where she really wanted to be. I wake up and see flowers and trees. I'm stuck in a dream. I'm not in my apartment where I usually sleep. I sink into the dream more deep and deep. I feel stuck in the bed. I can't get up. I need someone to pull me up. Pinch me, I'm free. And trips to Japan was fun. I enjoyed my day in the sun.
This was a picture that she drew, and it was based on a mural in Rogers Park. Oh, by who was it again? By Jennifer Kruger. Oh, Cronin? Oh, okay. I forgot the artist's name already. Sorry, but you can see that Rogers Park.